Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can edit a video on Canva. So select this one, either here or here. I'm just going to select this one, and then after that you can I'm just going to as you can see, there are like intros that you can add into your video. I am just going to add this one, like welcome to my channel. Just going to add it to this part, and then I'm going to then add a video like the one that I recorded, for instance here. Add a page. So I think I have to upload an element for this. Upload files, and I'm just going to go to quick access for a moment. For instance, this one, I'm just going to upload it into Canva, and I'm just going to select it and drag it to the canvas, and I'm just going to adjust it like so. Now I will have an intro to my videos in Canva. And to save it, I'm just going to select share and select download. And that's pretty much how you can edit videos on Canva. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!